So my name is Ricardo Antoni. I am 37 years old and I am in recovery. My drug use started first as recreation, and when I went to school in New York City, it kind of took a toll on me. I got a hold of something that got a hold of me. And the way that it negatively impacted my life was it started to take away the things I was passionate about. And that was the big one. It's just my priorities shifted, and the things that I loved to do I would no longer do, and I became lost. So my rock bottom, I believe that I've had multiple rock bottoms. Human beings were remarkable. We're able to pick ourselves back up, but if we don't have the proper help, we kind of repeat this pattern. And when I realized that it's a rock bottom is when my life has become unmanageable and I can't manage my life, just everyday basic things. So I found out about CareerSource through a roommate of mine who was working with Dewey. He had great success working with Dewey, and I saw all the great things that they were doing together, and I got her information from him, and we started talking, and she gave me different options and gave me her suggestion on what she thought would be the best path for me in my early recovery.
So I approached Ricardo about the program. I was able to convince him that it's time to focus on recovery and focus on you, and that this would be temporary and it would be a good thing for him.
So Dewey gave me an option of taking a different path, a different approach.
My name is Aditya Shah. I am the manager at the Sleep In Suites. When I interviewed him, I felt he has a interest for customer service. I see there is a willingness for him to learn more. Those are two main things that I saw in him that I felt this is the role that he can evolve in and eventually grow out of. I want to thank you, CareerSource, to give us this opportunity to work together. And I hope we can have more talent in the future that we can bring it out of recovery.
This internship, working at the Sleep In Suites, I had the ability to expand on certain skill sets, such as working with general public, problem solving in real time, as well as learning the software that we use to check in guests, make reservations, and basically it's the brain of the hotel that I'll be able to take with me in the future if I decide to move to another hotel or to another chain. Supportive services that I received from this program were basic necessities that one needs when in early recovery, such as help with rent, work clothes, transportation. They got me an electric bike, which was very beneficial to help me get to work and back home and to my meetings as well. Recently just finished my internship program, which was a fantastic experience, and I was offered a full-time position here at Sleep In Suites working the front desk. So without CareerSource, I don't think I would be where I am today, still here in Panama City Beach, having a steady job where I'm learning new skills. But the most important thing that I have gained is my confidence, getting back that self-worth and not being hopeless anymore, truly.